Presentation ceremony of the Dafa News Oman D20, and what an action-packed thriller tournament we have had. This was the dress rehearsal to the big tournament where Oman is going to be traveling in a month and a half from now, and that's where the expectations were really high. And oh boy, all these boys have delivered those expectations. You talk about the hat trick of Sufyan Mahmood, you talk about that maestro shot making from all those batters, all those innovation. You had it all in this edition of Oman D20. First, to introduce the presentation party, on my left, starting with Mr. Ali Musa, the board member of Oman Cricket. On his left, it is Mr. Kiran Asher, the board member of Oman Cricket. On his left, it is Mr. Alkesh Joshi, treasurer, Oman Cricket. And on his left, it is Mr. Dilip Mendes, the CDO and head coach of Oman Cricket. First, may I please request Mr. Dilip Mendes to step forward to present the player of the final. In a match which was in favor of Majid's Titans despite getting just 136 because of those early wickets. If you have come out and played that swashbuckling knock, Muzahir Raza for that incredible 35. Well done, Muzahir. Have a quick word with me. Muzahir, fantastic knock. Under pressure. When you came in, your side was in trouble. Quick to rescue.
Yeah, I always believed in myself. That was my motto of it. I will never give up. I'll keep hustling, however situation is. And here you go. You won the match.
Congratulations, Muzahir. That was a fantastic knock.
Yeah, and I would dedicate this to my father and my family and Asif Bhai specifically.
Very good.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Player of the match, Muzahir Raza. Next in line, can I please request Mr. Alkesh Joshi to step forward to present the player of the tournament trophy and a cash award from Oman Cricket. If in a tournament you've picked up 21 wickets and then you have scored the towering sixes which have crossed the media centre, you cannot stay away from the player of the tournament award. It is none other than Hasnain Ali Shah, the star pacer. हसनैन, बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद. जिस तरीके से आपने इस बार के ओमान D20 को डोमिनेट किया, कुछ ज़्यादा स्पेशल था. क्या फ़र्क था पुराने हसनैन अली शाह और नए हसनैन अली शाह में?
बस ऐसे कोई ख़ास नहीं है. सबसे पहले तो अल्लाह का शुक्र अदा करते हैं और बस मेहनत की थी. काफ़ी टाइम बाद 1.5 महीना इंजरी में भी गुजारा, लेकिन उसके बाद जो कमबैक हुआ तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह वो कमबैक ने बहुत तो कुछ, वो जो इंजरी हो गया तो उसमें मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा है. तो वो सोचने को टाइम मिल गया सब, तो उससे बहुत कुछ सीखा अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. वो जो ट्राई कर रहे थे वो हो रहा था अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
एक चीज़ मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ, एक टाइम पे टूर्नामेंट के बीच में प्लेयर्स आपको रन नहीं कर रहे थे, आपको बस खेल के निकाल रहे थे. उस वक्त आप बाउंसर की तरफ गए, तो बाउंसर की और विकेट्स, आपको काफ़ी विकेट्स मिले बाउंसर पे, तो कितना इफेक्टिव था?
और बिल्कुल बाउंसर तो जो, क्योंकि वो आगे बॉल के लिए खड़े थे, लेकिन एक ही बंदा है जो आप मुझे बाहर से आवाज़ दे दे कि बाउंसर मारो, तो देखिए उस पर हमेशा विकेट मिली है. और थैंक यू आपका भी कि आप बाहर से बताते थे कि बाउंसर.
नहीं माशाल्लाह, आपने बहुत अच्छा किया. बहुत सारा मुबारकबाद. इंशाल्लाह हम चाहते हैं कि और ऐसे ट्रॉफीज जीतो, इंशाल्लाह श्रीलंका में भी.
इंशाल्लाह. थैंक यू इंशाल्लाह.
Congratulations, best of luck.
Thank you.
Next in line, Mr. Kiran Asher, who will be presenting the runner-up trophy and a cash award from Oman Cricket. They were the side to watch out for in the entire tournament. They finished the round robin as the leader of the pack. They were right on the top. They were dominating the affairs. It is just the finale that did not go in their favor. Majid's Titans are the runners-up of the Oman D20. AK, congratulations. You've been one of those champion sides. The final did not go in your favor, and that doesn't define Majis Titans. But you're happy with how the things are going with Majis Titans, isn't it?
Yes, very much happy, where the boys performing throughout the tournament, I must say, this is credit goes to the management, because these guys are behind the scene and they are, supporting all the way. So I'm very much happy, captain, and yes, today is a, very tight game, and, the best team wins. So I'm really congratulations to the IS team who deserve to win this game.
Now you stood tall with the bat and batting first. You got your 50 odd. But still 136 was never going to be enough in this game, isn't it?
Yeah, I guess we shot 15-20 runs, and this is the cost, end of the game. But way the boys start, one stage we think we can, control this game in easily. But Muzair and Shahzad batted so well. He playing the game till the end and take the game for the side.
Congratulations and best of luck for the future, AK.
Thank you very much.
Amar Kaleem and Majis Titans, the runners-up of the Oman D20. Finally, can I please request Mr. Ali Musa to step forward to present the championship? It's also going to be a cash prize from Oman Cricket. They're known as the Giant Killers. They've lost to sides which were not expected, but then when they faced Royal Oman Stallions, they faced Majis Titans, they found ways to beat them. And that's the reason over the last 2 years they've acclaimed the title of Giant Killers. And once again, standing against a strong side. What a story it is. The underdog story goes to the IS Invincibles, the champion of the Oman D20. May I please request Savindu, the captain of the side, to collect the memento. Savindu, talk us through your emotions to start off with.
Nothing to say, no words to say exactly. I would like to thank Oman Cricket Academy for making this kind of for us. So exactly, this is a good for the rising players, to be honest. So yeah, I'm exactly emotionally so.
You're very emotional. I do understand, but it's your moment. Cherish it, enjoy it. 136 on the board, 4 wickets down. You were in pressure, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly. That term, the fast bowlers bowled really well, so it's not an easy. That's nipped away and not easy. After that, Musair Raza, Sufyan and Shehzad played really well game, so I'm really proud of them. And yeah,
you found a way to get the title, the Giant Killers of the tournament. Yalla Shabab Giants, Royal Oman Stallions, Majis Titans. You found ways to beat them. Teams were struggling against them. What's the mantra?
Yeah, exactly. The team combination is the best, and the unity, because we are not that much players, but we are average, but we have enough unity. That's the reason.
Congratulations and many best wishes for the future.
Yeah, thank you very much. I need to thank for the Asif Bhai, for the owner of IS team, and the crowd who came to support us, and the commentators did really well support for us. Yeah, thank you very much.
That's an underdog story that's going to be remembered for a while. Best of luck. Congratulations. IS Invincibles, the champion of the Oman D20. A big thank you to all our presentation party. Mr. Ali Musa, the board member of Oman Cricket. Mr. Kiran Ashraf, the board member of Oman Cricket. Mr. Alkesh Joshi, treasurer Oman Cricket. And Mr. Dilip Mendes, CDO Oman Cricket. A big thank you to all of you all. Now, I leave the team to celebrate with the trophy. ठीक था? Okay?
अरे it was good man. Okay, sir. आप करेंगे तो okay नहीं हुआ?
अरे नहीं यार.
Really good. Did he thank commentators?
हाँ? अरे
Did he thank commentators?
हाँ.
I told him.
मैं तभी मैं नर्वस हो गया एक्चुअली.
दिया ना फर्स्ट को.
और
बोल तो उसका रीजन है बाद में. नहीं मैंने उसको बहरान को बुला के बोला यार हम लोग की बहुत बजी तो उसको बोलने लगा
भाई नहीं. जब एक तो हसनैन ने बोला, मैंने उसको बाउंसर वाला क्वेश्चन पूछा, उसने बोला तुम्हारी वजह से मैंने बाउंसर मैं थोड़ा हिल गया. मैं बोला यार और यार बोल रहे क्या कर रहे थे
एक शॉक हो जाता है ना सडनली
हाँ।
दादा
इसलिए मैं बोला ना वेट करके
नो लोग
क्या वेट कर रहे
इसको भी
स्क्रिप्ट पूरी
स्क्रिप्ट करके देना पड़ता है।
तो चेंज हो गया पूरा लास्ट सेकंड पे आज तो पूरा सब कुछ चेंज है
3 अवार्ड 4 लोग
नहीं वो देते ना उसमें कुछ लिखा नहीं है
पुराने क्रिकेट
बहुत
कौन सा वाला था
उनके टाइम पे
कौन सा
आपके टाइम पे
एक मिनट भाई एक मिनट पकड़ा
ही वाज वाइस चेयरमैन तो सब कुछ
वो तो इनको नहीं पता है ना।
अच्छा चलो ये ले
थैंक यू सब बराबर था ना
फर्स्ट क्लास
किधर गया एक से बात करनी थी मैंने इधर ही था अभी
अच्छा क्या यू आस्क गुड क्वेश्चन अच्छा मेरे को गुस्सा इसलिए आ रहा था मैं समझा कि वो उस कमेडियन ने नहीं बोला थैंक्स टू कमेंटेटर मैं बोला
मैं नर्वस हो गया मैं कसम से बहुत नर्वस हो गया मैं बोला यार एक कमेंटेटर का
बट जरूरी
हाँ सर
रॉन्ग इज इट वो मिल के गया एक मिनट कम